Day 13. Class ended about 20 minutes ago. Just took my shower, feeling refreshed and energized today. Probably looking a little bit better than the last day or two. Got a really good night's sleep last night. Got to bed about 8:30. Woke up about 5 o'clock. Started to do some work, social media, marketing. Class. Class was good. Postures were strong. Tula Dandasana balancing stick. I remember that one as being really, really strong. Mandy taught class today and she knows my postures real well, so she pushes me in a lot of them. Trikonasana triangle. I was dizzy and sat out the first set. Went into the second set. Did a good job with it. Salabhasana locust pose, again on the first posture. My left wrist hurt quite a bit. Second set, I was able to get my hands underneath, got both legs one at a time, and then both legs together, got up higher than I have in 13 days, so that felt really good. Overall, really good class. Don't really have the energy I would like. I'm really looking forward to starting the Body by Vi challenge with the Vi shakes and the energy drinks and the protein shakes and the vitamins to start to feed my body the fuel that it needs. I've looked at the product. It looks like a very good product. I've read through it. A lot of really healthy ingredients, vitamins, minerals, protein, fruits, vegetables. So I'll keep you posted. All in all, good class. And namaste.